Hi everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade and welcome to Useful DIY Challenge July 2019 invite video. I'm here to invite you all to join this Useful DIY Challenge this month along with Mari from Mari's DIY. What do I tell about Mari? Mari is a talented person, very hardworking, very straightforward and very focused. All the qualities that are very much required in a person. She is on a DIY spree. She has been putting out one after the other DIY videos. They are great DIY ideas. Do go to her channel. I'll put a card link above and as well as in the description box below. Recently we have also seen her talent in sketching and painting. She does them beautifully. She does a lot of haul videos as well and she does them beautifully. The DIYs are wonderful, great process, great video. Do visit her channel, and today Mari and myself are inviting you all to join us with the Useful DIY Challenge July 2019. So what's the theme this month? This month's theme is recycled glass. You have to take an old piece of glass. It can be any kind of glass. It can be a bottle, a drinking glass, a bowl, a saucer, anything, any glass. It could be a candle holder, anything with a glass. Do some DIY on it, any kind of skill. You can do decoupage, you can glue two pieces together, you can add jute or burlap or lace, paint it, do anything on that glass with that glass and create something beautiful and useful. It's a recycled glass project because you already take a glass which is of some use, of some definite structure and give it a new purpose. So now getting on to the rules of the challenge. Rule number 1, in your title, use the words Useful DIY Challenge July 2019. Somehow put these words in your title. You can title Recycled Glass Candle Holder Useful DIY Challenge July 2019 or anything like that. Rule number 2, you must show your DIY, the initial product and what you DIY, how you DIY and the final product, what you come up with. Rule number 3, in the description box you must include the hashtag Useful DIY Challenge Recycled Glass. So hashtag Useful DIY Challenge Recycled Glass. Put this hashtag in your description box where you write about your video so that the auto playlist system can pick your video and put it into the playlist. Rule number 4, you should be subscribed to both the channels, that is myself, MomDas Life Handmade and Mari from Mari's DIY. Rule number 5, you must mention both our channels, MomDas Life Handmade and Mari's DIY, in your video as well as description box along with the playlist. You must mention the playlist as well so that many more people come to each of our videos and we get more views and we have more friends. Rule number 6, the upload date and time. Yes, the upload date and time for this month's Useful DIY Challenge is going to be on 24th July 2019. It's a Wednesday, 24th July 2019, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So how do you find out 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time? Just Google and ask what is 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time and Google will convert it into your local time, and at that local time you can upload or schedule your video to get uploaded and become public on the forum. So, and if you adhere to the rules of the challenge, your video is more likely to get picked up by the auto playlist that I will create and get added onto the playlist. Now if there is any problem with adding your videos to the playlist, I will always have a link to the playlist in my description box below where you can add your video and watch the videos. Plus any other problem, do contact me. I'm here to help you out. Useful DIY Challenge is all about inspiring creativity and make you think out of the box, make you push your limits and do something new, create something new, learn something new from each other. I hope you all will participate and have fun enjoy this challenge, and we will have a great party. We will have a great blast on 24th July 2019, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And I thank Mari specially for hosting this challenge this month with me. Thank you everybody. Do put down in the comment section below if you are interested in participating in the challenge. Otherwise also do come over and have fun. Thank you and take care.